Welcome! Today we're going to show you how Smartsettle ONE can reduce the number of debts going to debt collection. We assume that you've already watched the companion video showing Debtor's point of view in a negotiation with Big Bank. Big Bank has a Smartsettle ONE branded site set up on their website and has implemented the Expert Neutral Decider with a roster of neutral experts that also serve as mentors if needed by their clients. Since they have to deal with a steady stream of cases, they take advantage of a feature to automate their bids. In this case, Big Bank is expecting the negotiation to reach the 4th session and has set up the automation accordingly. However, in the simulation from Debtor's point of view, you saw that Debtor declared Session 3 as final. That caused Session 3 planned by Big Bank to be skipped, and their last move to be correspondingly larger. The final agreement of $15,000 slightly favored Debtor, but Big Bank was just happy to retain a loyal customer. Be sure to also watch separate videos explaining the small gap closer and the Expert Neutral Decider. These two algorithms were not needed in this case. They come into play in case of an impasse, in order to produce the highest possible settlement rates. Thanks for watching.